Am I going first?
I'll drop under.
Alright. Whoa!
Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm fucking tired.
Catch your breath. Take a break for a minute. Wipe off.
There's rocks that way.
Yeah, don't go there. I'm going to slide back a little and then go forward and turn. I'm going to get out of the way. Nobody coming, right? Woo! Rocks right there too. Right there. How am I doing?
Is that your theme song?
What? The How Am I Doing song? I think the camera shut off.
Let me see.
I heard it make a tone.
No, it probably just started a new video file. It looks like it's still recording. Oh, wait. Yeah, it's still red. You want to go left where that guy's going?
Yeah, probably. What do you think? Down here or keep going? There's people down going that way.
Let's go a little further.
That looks like probably the best way.
Okay. If you're scared.
Huh?
If you're scared, you want to go where other people are.
Fine, I'll keep going. Wait a second. Hold on. Where are you going?
Getting out of the way.
Okay. I was thinking we should go down there.
Oh, this doesn't look good.
What? This is great. Look, it's fresh.
Looks like rocks.
Well, you want me to test it? We'll try it out. Oh!
You chopped the top off a tree.
It wasn't a tree.
Right there?
It was a rock.
Yeah, around that side. There's a chute that leads directly to the battery. If you go around behind you. Here, you need help? Here, I'm coming in. Need help? Keep
Yeah.
Quick.
My ski
It failed you.
fell off.
Look, you knocked this piece of tree off.
I guess I did.
Say you're sorry.
Oh.
Say you're sorry. Steve, look what he did.
If it wasn't for that rock, I would have been fine.
And now you're blocking these people's line.
What?
There's people up there. You're blocking their line.
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry. You need me help? Help.
No.
Did that hurt?
Huh?
Did it hurt?
Yeah, a little.
Or did it feel like a pillow?
I can't.
Here.
It's the right level.
You want me to stamp it down where you're trying to place that? Alright. Away you go. Huh?
Alright, Steve, be careful.
You went? Wow! Oh yeah, this is all rock right here. This is all rock. Yeah. What happened? Use the powder.
Yeah.
It's a big break. Just drive on the tree.
Hold on. I gotta wait. That was a bonus right there. The bonus rock. Okay. I've got to map the rocks out for you. Okay. Alright, let's go. I did. I think we found all the other skiers too. Oh, I missed that sign. Tell me where we were. So you want to do the lower sublet ridge? I guess we're back to the sublet.
That's what we said we wanted to do. Lower sublet.
South Pass Traverse. So if you want to do the ridge, then you go down here, or you can traverse back over and take the Buffalo.
Buffalo Bill? Ah, Buffalo Bill? Cowboy?
So, what is that really indicating? Is the traverse this way? Traverse that way?
Traverse that way.
That's what it looks like.
Thin cover. You had enough rocks yet today?
Probably.